Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Crazy Gamer. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how you can change your player name in Bleach Brave Souls game. So in order to do that, first of all, open up the Bleach Brave Souls application on your device. Now once you open up the game, go to the top left corner and tap on your username. This will now take you to the My Status page where you'll need to tap the pencil icon right next to your display name. Enter a new name that you want to change to in the text box and then click on OK. Remember that the names can be a maximum of 10 letters. You should not include personal information or words that may be offensive to others, and the name can only be changed once a day. After you are done with your name, click on OK and the new name that you've changed to will be reflected on your account. So that was how you can easily change your player's name in Bleach Brave Souls game. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next episode. Thanks for watching.